You say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie.
Wow. Another one of those soaring ceilings with 4 V-Lux. Look at that.
I love this so much.
Yes.
I've walked into this room with an evident, powerful, emotional connection, and I'm in love. You can see the sky through the skylights, and you can close those up so you can get complete darkness in here. All the drapery, you've got block-out blinds. I just... tick, 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 yes.
Shayna did a little dance.
You want to take your shoes off?
No, 1950s beach party, Elvis
Yes.
Presley.
Yes.
Gidget grows up.
We are on the same page.
The judges checked out the wardrobes and they were very impressed to find the secret door to the ensuite.
What I think is interesting,
what's in here?
that's the doorway to the ensuite.
Yeah, nice.
But they've integrated that look so that this all reads as one big bank of cabinetry.
Yeah.
So again, that's a level of finesse and detailing that I applaud.
And the execution, once again, is really excellent and beyond what the judges are used to seeing in week 1 rooms. Neil said it was the last thing he was expecting to see today.
I have to be honest, this is not what I thought this house was going to be. But now I'm in here, I absolutely bloody love it.
Yes.
Darren believes that this room will appeal to the buyer who is attracted by the style of the exteriors.
If the exterior appeals to you, then this interior will appeal to you. Light and bright and cool and edgy and like it's got some swing to it, which is why you would choose this house.
Shayna thought the curtaining is divine, the wallpaper is fantastic.
This one has got me by the heartstrings. It really does. It feels
gorgeous.
so beautiful.
Neil agreed, it's a really gorgeous room.
When I first walked in, I was immediately attached emotionally. You know, the old heart was going.
But for him,
This room is kind of playing with my head a bit.
Oh, God.
I absolutely love it, but I'm not seeing much in here that really says 50s.
and that's where the debate got started.
It's not that slick 1950s retro American diner, Grease is the word. It's not that.
It's Malibu, isn't it?
But is that
Definitely.
bad? I mean,
No,
it's bad.
it's not bad. I'm just... I need to reassure myself that there are authentic 50s references.
The 50s feeling is just hanging on by a thread. It's a really gorgeous room, but if it's 50s, it's very late 50s going into the 60s.
I see 3 decades in here. Very late 50s, a little bit 60s, and a reference to the 70s. It's going more Scandis mid-century, which is 60s.
Just looking at that wallpaper with the palm trees, as a period detail, I don't think that's right at all.
That's 70s.
I mean, I guess, you know, the 50s is really wide open for interpretation because most of us these days tend to interpret 50s in that sort of mid-century vibe.
I think, for me, it's... I'm sitting on the fence. I never sit on the fence.
So, would you like to know where they landed in their debate about the era?
Give it to us, Scotty.
Tell us.
1959.
I love that we've decided this is 1959.
Absolutely.
All the other
Because
houses are a
it's
decade,
so
but
close
this
to the
is
60s.
59.
We're happy with that.
Yeah, we'll
happy.
take that all day.
Yep, you just scraped in by 1 year by the skin of your teeth.
Awesome. We aimed for 59.
That's the year we were going for. 59 was the best year, trust me. 51, terrible.
Terrible.
That's it.